welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna if you're new here. Hope you guys are doing good. Before I get into this video, I want you guys to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, auntie to tell auntie, uncle to tell a uncle. Yeah, tell everybody. Blow the comment section and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, so first thing first, my hair is freshly washed and I pre-stretch my hair. Yeah, now I am going to go right ahead and section off my hair. I don't even know if this is parting right. Yes it is. Alright, so this side is a little bit bigger than this side, so I'm gonna cut this side down a bit to match up with this side. Alright, so I'm going to be applying this to my hair. So this is the red one, Maximum Control Orange Aqua Hair Wax Full Force. So guys, I am going to be adding some black rubber band to this section right here. So I'm going to be adding this into this. Alright, so at the end, I'm going to be adding some braids. Yeah, I'm just going to be twisting in some braids at the end. But before I go ahead and do so, I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did on this side onto this side. Alright, so both sides are finished. I'm gonna be adding some braids to the ends. So I'm gonna be adding some braids. Yeah, these are Ghana braids. So I'm gonna comb my hair up. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my Wetline Extreme Gel to catch my hair up in one. Yeah. Yeah, so all I'm gonna do is just add my scunchie. I'm gonna be placing that hair, the Ghana braid, over my hair. All I'm gonna be doing is just twisting this. This is super easy. So I'm gonna wrap. So I'm gonna be adding some bobby pins to that cute little bun to hold it into place. Next step is to take that hair and put it closely towards the bun, and I'm going to be using bobby pins to hold it into place. Then I am going to be wrapping the rest of the hair around the bun. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking so far. I am going to be doing my edges. So as you all know, I'm going to do my makeup and then check in back with you guys. Alright, natural lovers, so it was really great being here with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and remember to like, share, subscribe below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Until next time, bye.